I still don't want to believe that you run from one auntie to another sister to another friend because you want to apply makeup. Better sit back and let me hold your hand through the journey of no makeup. If you are ready, get in here. You see that first thing I applied for? It is called primer. After I dry the primer up, you see this one I'm applying? I believe you know it. It is a foundation. You see this spray I'm spraying on my beauty blender? It is a setting spray. If you like, get a book and a pen and start jotting down. I will not say more than that. As a good student wey wan learn, I expect you to ask me, after applying it the way I apply, what are we going to do? You see that I blend. You dab in, you dab in, you dab in, you blend in your foundation. This one under my eyes is called concealer, and if you can see, it is lighter than the shade of the foundation I used. So you too get one shade lighter than your foundation shade, then you apply the way I just displayed. All the areas I applied it, that is where you are going to apply, and this is called a setting powder. You see the way I dust out my excess setting powder? If you want to apply your own, pack it as if you want to go and act like a masquerade in your village. It is time to apply blush, and I did to both sides. That's it. Now I contour all contourables. Let's move to the next step quickly. So this area is called T-zone, and I contour after highlighting the nose bridge. Now I use eyeshadow on both eyes to add color to it. This is my waterline, and that is my high pencil. I use my mascara to raise up my eyelash, both up and down, just to brush out my brow. Nothing serious. Now it is time to blend in with my powder. That's my powder, and I blend all blendables. Blend it out. Make sure I dab in all products, and that is simply the process for no makeup. You can see I set in all products with setting spray. So I notice I haven't done my favorite part of this makeup, which is my lip. You should never leave that out because it is a banger for your makeup, especially if you know how to do it so well. So I already lined my lip, and here is my lip palette where I had a nude color because we want to give a low vibe thing. You get? I don't want a matte lip, so I added a gloss to give a shiny look, and it is giving exactly what is expected. Rate it yourself. Is it a dry one, or where I didn't had any lip balm that you love so much, or this one with balm? You don't want to deceive me, right? It is this one with my lip combo. I so much love it. I hope you have learned one or two things. If you have, let me know in the comments. Bye.